Before we dive into this section, I wanted to give you a quick heads up that there's a caveat around everything that we're doing with linear regressions. Linear regressions have assumptions, and the assumptions are listed below: linearity, homoscedasticity, multivariate normality, independence of errors, and lack of multicollinearity. And before building a linear regression model, you need to check that these assumptions are true. And then you can only proceed and be sure that you're building a good linear regression model. Well, in this section, we won't be focusing on that. We won't be focusing on the assumptions of linear regressions in this section of the course. But if you ever do need to build a linear regression, then make sure that you don't just blindly follow the steps that I present to you in this section of the course, but you do need to go back to the assumptions of the linear regression and research them and make sure that they're correct when you're building your linear regression.